Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the heart of Indian comfort food with a warm and nourishing soup, which is Dal and Palak soup, or also known as Lentil and Spinach soup. This creamy and flavorful soup is a perfect blend of lentils, spinach and a medley of aromatic spices. It's a wholesome and satisfying meal that's perfect for any time of the year. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this dal and palak soup, from cooking the lentils to blending the soup. I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this delicious dish in your own kitchen. So let's get cooking and experience the comforting flavor of Indian cuisine. So now let's begin. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 onion chopped, 5 garlic cloves, and then fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 carrots cut in medium pieces and fry it until the carrots are nice and soft. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, half tablespoon Italian mixed herbs, 2 stock cubes. Add some salt to taste and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups Masoor Dal or red lentils washed nicely, and then give it a nice mix. Then add 5 cups water and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see that the dal is nicely cooked and it is nice and soft. Then give this a nice mix and cook it again for about 5 minutes. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside and slightly cool it down. So the mixture is slightly cooled down now. Then take the mixer jar and then add the dal. Also add some water if required for a smooth paste. Then blend it until it is nice and smooth. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons butter and allow the butter to melt. Then add the paste which was previously made. And cook it for about 2 minutes. Then add 3 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 2 cups chopped palak or spinach and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and boil it for about 5 minutes. And there you have it guys, a warm and comforting bowl of dal and palak soup. The perfect blend of creamy lentils and flavorful spinach will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.